Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Thousand Island sauce. To begin, gather your simple ingredients and a mixing bowl for this classic, versatile condiment. We will combine creamy mayonnaise with ketchup and sweet pickle relish, creating a balanced flavor profile that is both tangy and slightly sweet. This easy recipe ensures a delicious result every time. For the perfect Thousand Island sauce, start with 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Next, add 1/4 cup of ketchup for that distinctive color and flavor. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, which provides a delightful tang and texture. Optionally, include 1 teaspoon of finely minced onion and a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic for extra depth and a subtle savory note. Once all your ingredients are ready, combine them in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Stir everything together thoroughly until the sauce is smooth and evenly blended. Take a moment to taste your creation and adjust any seasonings, like a pinch of salt or a dash more relish, to suit your preference. For best flavor, refrigerate the sauce for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your homemade Thousand Island sauce is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect as a dressing for salads, a spread for burgers, or a dip for your favorite snacks. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. The flavors will continue to meld and deepen, making it even more delicious the next day. This recipe yields approximately 1 1/4 cups of sauce.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.